How's it going, guys? This is Lane from Shore Cycles, here to give you another video intro on some products that we're going to be offering this season. So today we installed a Kuryakyn and MTX Road Thunder soundbar on this bike. Bluetooth compatible, aux compatible, USB compatible, and the USB can also charge your phone. We also did a Memphis shade install with this particular one. If you don't have a mount already for your phone, we sell RAM mounts in-house. And now we're going to do a quick audio demo for you guys. The speaker comes in really nice packaging. It's very easy to install, very clean mount, so it can mount to almost any styled handlebar. It can be angled right at the rider for better sound quality, and it is available in satin silver and satin black. And the Memphis shade setup on this particular bike is really great because it helps bounce the sound off the windshield, deflect your wind noise, and give you a better quality of sound while riding. It's not required to have a windshield, but it will help deflect that wind and give you a better sound quality. So if you're interested in getting your own Road Thunder MTX Kuryakyn speaker installed, give us a call. We can set you up for an appointment, maybe do it same day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you're staying up to date on all our new products and videos that are going to be coming out. And we'll see you for the next one.